What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna solve our second problem of the 100 challenge, partitioning into minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers. Let's move to the description. Decimal number is called Deci-Binary if each of its digits is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. For example, 101 and 1100 are Deci-Binary, while 112, 13, 001 are not. So given a string n that represents a positive decimal integer, return the minimum number of positive Deci-Binaries numbers needed so they sum up to n. Okay, so if we move to our first example with 32, the output should be 3 because 3 is like the minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers that they sum up to n, with 11 plus 11 plus 10 is equal to 32. Okay, so let's move to our first example. The idea is to subtract the maximum ones from each digit to get the minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers. So in this case 32, we can subtract 1 from 2 and 1 from 3, and the result will be 2, 1. So we can subtract again from each one to get 1, 0, and we can subtract 1 from this one, and we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so 0. And that's the minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers that they sum up to 32. Okay, move on now to our second example. So let's apply the same logic. So we can subtract 1 from each digit, and that's the result. We can subtract again and subtract from each possible digit. Okay, the result is equal to the max digit, 8 in this case, 3 in this case. Okay, so let's move to the implementation. Okay, an important thing to notice is that the result is in between 0 and 9 as the maximum possible digit in the string. Okay, so let's create our solution class, and then defining our main function. So minimum number Deci-Binary. Okay, move then. Let's create a simple down to loop in between 9 and 0, down to 0. Okay, in range 9 minus 1 because of the shift, and minus 1. Okay, and we simply need to test if the element exists in the string or not. If yes, we just need to return it, and we may need to return 0 in the case of an empty string. Okay, let's create a new instance of the class and try to use it on some relevant examples. Okay, so let's take our second example and a random number. Okay, we have 3 for the first example, 8 for the second, and 9 for the third example. That's it. That's the case. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked my second video of the 100 challenge. Bye bye.